friends, this is part 5, the conversation between King Yadu and Avadhut Brahmina. To see the part 1, 2, 3 and 4, please refer to the link in the description box. Brahmina starts speaking about his 18th guru, the Falcon. Brahmina's 18th guru was Falcon. One day, a falcon had a successful hunt and caught a mouse. Unfortunately, the other falcons had not caught anything, and so they ganged up on the first one. So first one immediately dropped his prey in order to save his life. In so doing, he was surprised to find that he attained peace of mind. The Avadhuta then said, accumulation of things leads to misery. Worldly possessions are source of trouble. Learned who gives up material desires and lives simple lives becomes happy. Brahmina starts speaking about his 19th guru, the innocent child. Brahmina's 19th guru was innocent child. The Avadhuta then said, I go through life like an innocent child. Child doesn't have any worry or ego. Same way, I am indifferent to praise and insult. I have no worries for wife or children. I take pleasure and joy in my own being. There are two kinds of people who are free of worry. One is the fool, the other is the sage who is beyond the entanglements of material nature. So, by forsaking praise and insult, respect and disrespect, one can be happy like a child. Brahmina starts speaking about his 20th guru, the Marriageable Daughter. Brahmina's 20th guru was Marriageable Daughter. The Avadhuta's 20th lesson came from a young girl whose parents were looking to get her married. One day, when she was alone at home, several suitors came to seek her hand. Since no one else was there, she herself greeted them. While she was preparing a meal for them, the bangles on her wrist made a great deal of noise. Ashamed that she was making a sound that disturbed her guests and suitors, she broke her bangles one by one, leaving only a pair on each wrist. When she returned to cutting vegetables again, however, the bangles again made a sound. So she slipped another of each wrist, leaving only one. The Avadhuta concluded, Bhase bahunam kalaho bhavedvata dyorapi eka eva vase tasmat kumarya eva kankanaha. When many people live together in one place, there will undoubtedly be quarreling. And even if only two people live together, there will be frivolous conversation and disagreement. Therefore, to avoid conflict, one should live alone, as we learn from the example of the bracelet of the young girl. However, this is not applicable to devotees. Devotees just avoid the company of those who are opposed to devotional service. They do not generally favor a life of being alone, absolute solitude. So, today we learnt about another 3 gurus of Avadhut Brahmina with its teachings. In the next part, we will see the remaining gurus. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.